vitamin T. Eyes red, mind clean. Push out on the balcony. Say a little herbs guide the journey. Light it up, all our meds cloud rise. Problem get small, small. All a Babylon a brag bout them cred, but them can't hear truth at all. Man chance and man reason with sky. Ask Father God when me roll in a this. Hear a voice in a the heart reply. Love them same one we try dismiss. Smoke for meditation. No smoke for run away from life. Take a drop, get revelation. See the road still sharp in your mind. Smoke for meditation. Clean out your spirit align. When the world want mash up your vibration, breathe deep, burn fear from your mind. Man did poor belly touch back. Still share last piece of bread with crew. From them time me know about luck, but me richer in a things where true. System want sell you fast solution. Quick fix, quick drill, quick share. Herb show me slow revolution. Start inside then the outside change. Smoke for meditation. No smoke for run away from life. Take a drop, get revelation. See the road still sharp in your mind. Smoke for meditation. Clean out your spirit align. When the world want mash up your vibration, breathe deep. Listen youth, take it. Herbs are tool, but your heart are the key. If your mind dirty, dirty things breathe. If your mind clean, your soul run free. Ask yourself where me live for. Name brand little eye, small score. Or if you live up the ones on the floor. Build a life, we're bigger than store. Smoke for meditation.
Ancient word from my tongue. Me bless, me bless. Early morning, dew upon leaf. Steam rise slow, carry my grief. My reason with clouds in a silent prayer. Ask myself why me still there. Holy pressure, still me try. Mind full of questions, heart full of God. Every little drop is a meditation seed. Every little breath put my soul on beat. Sacred vapor lift my higher. Clean my mind, cool my fire. From my barefoot days in the ghetto choir. Me inhale courage, exhale the liar. Sacred vapor clear the pain. Wash the worry from out my brain. When the world won't drive me insane, me breathe in truth and step out again. Them teach we say we smart, say we can, but me spirit older than Babylon plan. Me ancestor voice in a every cloud shape. Rise youth, rise. Chains are scrape me see system thick like old black tar. Still my vision bright like morning star. Me say mine are your temple, thought are your key. From your tame your head, you unlock your free. Sacred vapor lift my heart. Clean my mind, cool my fire. From my barefoot days in a the ghetto choir. Me inhale courage, exhale the liar. Sacred vapor clear the pain. one holy pope, plant one righteous seed.
Light up a liquor on my brother. Fire for the stress and the vendetta. Sit down on the hill, feel the wine changing. Mind start travel while the herbs blazing. Early morning, sunrise by my eyelash. Steam from the cup, spliff tip flash. Will leap a pain in the system, true. Still my sight higher things when me draw to. Them teach you hustle, them forget to teach peace. Them sell with things, but them hide the real keys. Me born one reason with my own soul. Ask what me really live for, who in control. Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me rising on the vibration, yeah. This your little draw is a stairway. Take my woes and carry them far away. Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me chant till my heart feels strong, yeah. Enough man born for run from frustration. Me born for creation, for revelation. Now every cloud where you see is a rain cloud. Sometime I just feel for the vain crowd. Them chase hype, chase name, chase goal. But the richest man are the ones stay bold. Mind clean, unclean, pass straight. No envy them plate. Me not take bait, cause when the bread stop with the fame there, it's just you and the works where you lay there. Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me rising on the vibration, yeah. This your little draw is a stairway. Take my woes and carry them far away. Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me chant till my heart feels strong, yeah. Enough man born for run from frustration. Me born for creation, for revelation. Listen, my youth, take heed to the sign. No follow every little dollar like dog on a line. If your spirit feel tired, take stock. Urban on my palm, but it's loving on my talk. Every puff is a question, every thought is a seed. If your mind full of poison, you can't grow good weed. Yeah, sit down in a silence, see your heartbeat drum. Ancestor voice tell me know where you're from. Africa echo in a every bass note. Wisdom afloat in a every grey smoke. So when me pull me, I pull down fear. Push out doubt, bring courage near. This your chalice is a mirror for my mind. Show me every dark spot, want me have to refine. Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me rising at the vibration, yeah. This your little draw is a stairway. Take my woes and carry them far away. Smoke for meditation. Smoke for meditation. Smoke for meditation. Light up a little one, me brother. Fire for the stress and the vendetta. Sit down on the hill, feel the wind changing. Mind start travel while the herbs blazing.
Early morning sunrise from me eyelash. Steam from the cup, spliff tip flash. Whole heap of pain in the system true. Still my sight tired things when me draw to. Them teach we hustle, them forget for teach peace. Them sell we things, but them hide the real keys. Me born one reason with my own soul axe. What me really live for, who in control? Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me rising a the vibration, yeah. This a little draw is a stairway. Take my woes and carry them far away. Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me chant till my heart feels strong, yeah. Enough man born for run from frustration. My born for creation, for revelation. Now every cloud where you see is a rain cloud. Sometime I just feel for the vain crowd. Them chase hype, chase name, chase gold. But the richest man are the one stay bold. Mind clean and clean, pass straight, no envy them plate me. Not take bait, car when the bread stop. With the fame there, it's just you and the works where you lay there. Listen. Listen, me you take it to the sign. No follow every little dollar like dog on a line. If your spirit feel tired, take stock. Herb in a my palm, but his love in a my thought. Every puff is a question, every thought is a seed. If your mind full of poison, you can't grow good weed. Sit down in a silence, your heart beat drum. Ancestor voice tell me know where you from. Africa echo in a ever bass note. Wisdom afloat in a ever grey smoke. So when me pull, I pull down fear. Push out doubt, bring courage near. This your chalice is a mirror for my mind. Show me every dark spot where me have to refine. I smoke for meditation, yeah. Me rising a the vibration, yeah. This a little draw is a stairway. Take me woes and carry them far away. Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me chant till my heart feels strong, yeah. Enough man born for run from frustration. Me born for creation, for revelation.
my chest, ancient word for my tongue. My bless, yeah. Early morning, dew and leaf, steam rise slow, carry my grief, my reason with clothes in a silent prayer. Ask myself, why am I still there? Holy pressure, still my child. Mind full of questions, heart full of God. Every little draw is a meditation seed. Every little breath put my soul on beat. Sacred vapor, lift me higher. Clean my mind, cool my fire. From my barefoot days in the ghetto choir. Me inhale courage, exile the liar. Sacred vapor, clear the pain. Wash the worry from out my brain. When the world won't drive me insane, my breathe in truth and step out again. Them teach we say we small, say we can't, but my spirit older than Babylon plan. Me ancestor voice in a every cloud shape. Rise youth, rise, chains are scrape. Me sip system thick like old black tar. Still my vision bright like morning star. Me say, mine are your temple, that are your key. From your tame your head, you unlock your free.
exile, yeah. Slow down the heartbeat, level up the faith. If you want to change, start deep inside. No follow every hype, every careless pride. Your soul is a book where only truth can read. Take one holy puff, plant one righteous seed. Psychic vapor, psychic vapor. Light up a little one, me brother. Fire for the stress and the vendetta. Sit down on the hill, feel the wind changing. Mind start travel while the herbs blazing. Early morning sunrise from me eyelash. Steam from the cup, spliff tip flash. Whole heap of pain in the system true. Still my sight tired things when me draw to. Them teach we hustle, them forget for teach peace. Them sell we things, but them hide the real keys. Me born one reason with my own soul axe. What me really live for, who in control? Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me rising a the vibration, yeah. This a little draw is a stairway. Take my woes and carry them far away. Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me chant till my heart feels strong, yeah. Enough man born for run from frustration. My born for creation, for revelation. Now every cloud where you see is a rain cloud. Sometime I just feel for the vain crowd. Them chase hype, chase name, chase gold. But the richest man are the one stay bold. Mind clean and clean, pass straight, no envy them plate me. Not take bait, cause when the bread stop with the fame there, it's just you and the works where you lay there. Listen, yeah. Listen, me you take it to the sign. No follow every little dollar like dog on a line. If your spirit feel tired, take stock. Herb in a my palm, but his love in a my top. Every puff is a question, every thought is a seed. If your mind full of poison, you can't grow good weed. Sit down in a silence, your heart beat drum. Ancestor voice tell me know where you from. Africa echo in a ever bass note. Wisdom afloat in a ever grey smoke. So when me pull me, I pull down fear. Push out doubt, bring courage near. This your chalice is a mirror for my mind. Show me every dark spot where me have to refine. I smoke for meditation, yeah. Me rise in a the vibration, yeah. This a little draw is a stairway. Take me woes and carry them far away. Smoke for meditation, yeah. Me chant till my heart feels strong, yeah. Enough man born for run from frustration. Me born for creation, for revelation.